I have furnace. Lonix has issue because the power goes out and of like couple days for storm. The issue is, and I have to diagnostic the system to make sure if it's getting 24 volt or not, or 240. I have to put tape here, and then I have to jump wire R to heat. Nothing coming on. And then I check flat switch, nothing, it's still green. Then I have to check the power from here to here. I have to turn the meters from the transformer. Yes, I have 26, that's good. And then I have to check again 24 volt, if I get 24 volt or not. Zero voltage. Zero voltage, it means this transformer is burn out. Because about power going off and on, off and on. So that's what's happened. So I have to turn first of all the power off, and then I have to put new transformer. New transformer. I have to move. I have to check. I have to move all the wires coming from other transformer. I have to cut them. Okay. I have to move all transformer. Okay. Okay, moving the old transformer. I have to put new transformer. I have to put new transformer. Okay. Yeah. I put in the screws. Yeah. Okay, I already put tape for, because this is 120 volt for the gas furnace, red for 208, orange 240. I cancel them. I have to put nuts on it and put tape not to come out just in case. And then the wires like this. I have yellow for coming. I have to put this one like this. Coming, yellow. Depending for transformer, you have to pay attention over here in that. That's what it should be. It's not, sometimes the wire is not the same or something, but you always double check. Okay, and then come 24 volts. 24 volt, and then block is 120 volt. 120. What is it? Okay. And then white is for ground. Like this. Always I like to put some electric tape just to support them more, because in case if something move or something, that's a good thing. Like this. And then other terminal like this as well. Because sometimes transformers is different. Always pay attention. This one is original from Lonix. This one you can use it any kind of furnace, gas, heat pump. You can play with it. Whatever is 240, you put 240. 120, you have to put 120. And 24 volt depending for the wire, sometimes coming with different color, so it's better to do like this. I like to make them tight nicely like this. Make sure if everything is on. Okay, I have to turn the power on. The power on, and light is starting. It means you get 24 volts. I have to jump that black wire to make sure inducer coming on. Yeah, inducer. I can hear igniter. That's good. And then to send for the gas valve. And turn. It is good. Only the issue transformer. I can smell it. Only the issue for 24 volt is not 120. I got 120, but I don't have 24 volt coming out. That's why the reason I check flat switch. I thought maybe the issue. I check the fuse. I check everything. I diagnostic of an only transformer. I'm waiting for the blower is coming on now. Everything's good. Everything sounds good. The line is perfect for summer. And then everything's doing good. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please describe me and Tom. Thank you very much. I hope I'm looking to see you again. Thank you guys. Thank you.